Introducing the new Hutton Office Collection. It's our most custom office collection yet, with an upscale look and endless design possibilities. Every drawer and door comes with your choice of antique mirror, natural rattan, or acrylic panel inserts. The mirror and rattan panels easily slide out so that you can reverse to plain white, or you can choose an acrylic panel for the look of glass, or to insert your own fabric or wallpaper. The Hutton collection features 14 unique components, so you can custom fit your needs. With 5 base cabinets, a lower bookcase, 4 hutches, and 3 desk sizes, Hutton has endless options for storage and style. We designed Hutton with function in mind, so you can custom tailor your configuration to suit your needs. Cabinets are available in 5 styles. Mix and match up to 5 in any combination, and top with a work surface to create a custom credenza or desk. With 3 desk options that are finished on all sides, you can float your work surface in your room or place it against a wall. To maximize your vertical storage, add a hutch with open shelves or doors. Looking for a media solution? Lower cabinets and hutches come together to create a media cabinet or a large storage piece. Display your treasures on open shelves or opt for doors to conceal clutter. No matter what layout you dream up, with the Hutton collection, you're in charge of style. Visit ballarddesigns.com/Hutton to learn more.